Gana habe bembezi batara bamwe na bamwe okurwa district y'Ibanda Commissioner Engineer Joseph Oriono Eyatu okurwa Ministry of Water and Environment yasima ba contractors okurwa mu kitongore cha Block Technical Services ahubwo gukora umurimo murungi.
And I would like to really congratulate the contract team and the contractor for that milestone. And at least I have a belief that it's just a matter of time and the system is complete.
Abantu abo kubanza okutunga mizago nabakigando igorra town council kandi aho no mukuru w'entebe ya gatano ahabwa district y'Ibanda Happy Herbert Mayanja yasimira government na Block Technical Services ahabwo kurebeka ngo nibafaha abantu b'Ibanda district.
Waza kigando amezi gabagaruho na no mutanka gabagaruho konka hakine bikuza ebicukwetagwa korwa kurebunga mizaga ga waje kandi bakaba twashubaringa ngo evro ukwezi kwa munana kw'abantu kwayo abintu byakwa byatebekine de n'abantu batunje amezi so ninyana kubasima kugira ngo baturaganise babishikirize kandi bari no babikora mwendeka turindereho kugira ngo kwa munana kwahika gaba gataka hwiri musa kurebe kindi turayongero.
Happy Herbert Mayanja yayongeragira ngo abantu ubwa hati baza kugumirwa kushashura kubagita ahamizago aha kubomurmo kumazuro bwire buringwa gutarukwa.
Along the way when water delayed and many waters came in, they stopped paying. But I want to assure you, with the water flow at that point that we have seen, we shall tell them to go there and see. They will definitely be convinced to pay.
Ian Mugaya ni manager ahabwa Block Technical Services we nagira ngo project ejo ikabaneza kwa kare konka abantu bakabima amataka korabyamwa mizago ahabwa government kuremwa kubashashura.
Project ikacererwa munonga abo abantu kwanga kutereza amataka bakwenda kubashashura umuriye cyo harugamwe ibintu byatemba aro watwemereze kumara umwaka gwona. So we thank the ministry and the district local government for helping us to compensate those people and secure that land, and the project since then has been moving, progressing steadily and as per schedule, and as of now we have already seen water in some parts of Chigando, and water is at the treatment plant where the treatment will be done.
Francis Kario or mukuru w'entebe ya kashatu ahabwa kihangara nke gombora yagira ngo abataka hati batandika kugaruka mwamani ahabwo ko babire bayehwira masiko
hatamizi nibiza kushikayo kandi nkabe ni manyisa abantu banje kiro kunkwasha shona hati naba nimbasa kubagambira ngo musasure connection fee yashiringishe mitwari ikumi aho ko bikiri cha ikitwari baha treatment plant nicoreka amizi gona gashira umutanka hata bari baza gapushinga kuzomu pipe ati twahurira twatunga masukungu bitakashire 30 na kimwe by'ukwezi kwa munana amizi magaza kubagara gashirumiruka yona
umwaka ogwe 2017 nubwo aba Block Technical Services bapatino mu rumogu kandi hasente ezabire nizingana billion 22 gasha kwa Steven Mujuni ahabwa Sky TV agenshonga.